In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how you can enable trading here in Rocket League step by step. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, in order to actually get trading, so for example, if you downloaded Rocket League for free on Epic Games, you actually have to spend at least $5 or your regional equivalent in the game to unlock trading. I'm not really sure that's just how it works. Essentially, go ahead and open up Rocket League and go to the item shop specifically. Scroll down as far as possible until you see the option to actually buy credits, or it's just going to be down in the left. Go ahead and open this up and then purchase $5 worth of credits. As you can see, I already have these right here. If you originally bought Rocket League before it was free to play, you can obviously skip this step. I had it before it was free to play as well. But essentially, go ahead and then back out and go to your profile. And then from here, go ahead and hit career. And then go to stats and look at your XP level. You need to make sure that you are at least over level 30. If you're below level 30, you need to play more matches until you reach it. As you can see, even without me playing in a long time, I'm still level 68, which is super convenient. Now from here, what you're going to need to do is enable player-to-player trading. So back out again, go to settings this time. And once you're in your settings, go to the interface tab. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and just turn on allow player-to-player trading. And then you could back out of here again. Just keep in mind, you're also going to need to have 2FA enabled on your Epic Games account. To do that, open up a browser either on the same device or a secondary device. I'm using Google Chrome on my PC right now. And go to epicgames.com. Once you're on here, sign into your account. And then once you're signed in the top right, select your profile and then hit account. And you're going to need to go to the 2FA section, which if you scroll down a little bit, that's going to be in password and security. Open that up. If you already have 2FA enabled, you'll have this like little notification here. But essentially, open this up, go ahead and choose an authenticator app, an email authentication, or an SMS authentication, and just follow the prompts, verify, and enable it. And once 2FA is active, you're good to go. And once both players meet all requirements, which is level 30 plus, spending $5 if you have the free-to-play version of the game, 2FA enabled and trading enabled, you're going to want to launch Rocket League and then go ahead and create a party with each other. So invite the friend that you want to play with just by hitting down here, select them, hit invite to party. Once you're in a party, go ahead and select the option to start the trade, choose the items from your inventory, and both players will confirm it. As soon as that happens, you'll be able to trade. But that is it. That is how you could trade safely here in Rocket League. There is a lot of steps for this. I think it should be a little bit easier, but that's just my opinion. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.